employee switch fix here. So we have this LED TV backlight tester. So the problem in this one was working fine on this day when I was trying to test some LEDs backlight in one TV, and it just stuck here at over 300 volt, and this was searching the LEDs that I was testing. To keep parts is very easy because there is no screws. So I want to show you that if you have this model or another model that's doing the same thing, this is how you fix it. Or other electronics too. So here there is a MOSFET, this one here, and this is the old MOSFET, the bad one. Good morning. Right, this is show you this MOSFET. Put it in the diode mode.
You have a lot of competition in Tampa.
0.3, 0.3. From here, window is bad. Cannot be between these two legs here the same reading. That's not right. And when you flip, is given the same reading. You can see 0.5, 0.5 here between this leg and this leg. That's a short. So this MOSFET is bad. Alright, this is the bad MOSFET, and this one has no number on it, because who make this board, so we don't know what kind of this MOSFET is, an N or a P channel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take another MOSFET from like power supply, TV power supply that has the LEDs feeding. So this is the TV LED TV power supply board, and this is a LED connector, the backlight connector, and here is two MOSFETs here. So all you have to do, just take one of these MOSFETs and it will work here. Alright. So let's test it for this this TV here. Is a Sharp TV 50-inch LED, model number LC-50LB370U. And Yeah, so we get the 330 volt. By the way, you need to test the diodes when you are checking the MOSFET to see if there is any shorted diode or open diode. So we remove the LED's connector from there. From the beginning, I noticed two strips here is kind of bad because that's where the TV like is dark. And we start test. Okay, this one is good, and you can see this one now which works. The tester is work fine. This one here, it doesn't work. So we put the red probe in the positive, and so this 3D works. So the 4D works. 5D works. So here still work. Here is good. So here is good, but when we move, you can see here the lights, but here they don't work. So this one is bad. Before that LED to work, and after that one it doesn't work. So this one is bad. Let me put a mark on it. So we're going to test after this LED. So we put the red bulb and the plus, and these 3 LEDs, they work. So that's the only one is bad. That's LED. So let's
No, I'm gonna come in here because I'm playing with these toys.
okay, this is the bad LED, this one here. And I'm gonna take one from this one here. Alright, let's test it again to be sure. So this LED doesn't work. So if we go to the first, okay, this LED work. Yeah, this one here, like before I changed this MOSFET, it's stuck at the 300. When I try to measure one, it burned it. It burned the LED, the good ones. So this one, good. So this one now, let me switch to here. So this 3 here is good. And I do have these LED strips from another crack screen TV, and they look exactly the same. So I'm going to switch this one from here to here. So if you look at it, this the same size, the same kind of the LEDs. The negative and the positive is the small. The same thing is here, and if you look closely, can see it. There is a little clip. There is a little mark in the corner here by the negative side. The same mark is here by the negative side. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, you can see it now. That's the negative side. So these two LEDs exactly the same.
Because when you tell the people, see your boss, she got the money, just pick it up. Yeah. You ever talk to her, Andrew? No, why you don't call her? Because I don't want to tell him that we're moving, because you see when he said, we're looking at the TVs, and they said, oh, maybe we're moving, oh, okay, let me thinking about, oh, they're going to sold me the TVs and that, and I understand, or they're going to repair the TV, what about the TV stop working tomorrow?
Alright, here all the LEDs work.
So you gotta keep these tables in?
Yeah, they don't sell, so just keep them. We're gonna put them in the new location. So right here is that burning LED strip. It works now. So let's turn the TV on and see if all the LEDs is going to turn on now. Alright, as you see here, all the LEDs works. So I'm going to test them for a little bit to be sure that no LED is going to go bad. Because sometimes, you know, it shows all of them it turns on, but when you put the TV together and you let it run for like 30 minutes or so, more LEDs is going to show that they're going to stop working. So I'm going to leave it like this before like 30 minutes or 1 hour before I put it together. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next video. So here the screen work. So don't forget when you fix the backlight to check this one here. Go to the picture. Check here the backlight. You see this one? The backlight is run the maximum. This means the LEDs is like there is too much power going to the LED. So we're gonna lower the backlight. Yeah, that's gonna give the backlight LEDs extra life. So that's how you do it.